everybody, allenpallen here. Thank you all for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be painting my television. I figured since I don't really watch it much anyway, we might as well. And while I'm sure it would trigger somebody if I were to paint on a perfectly functional television, a little snipperoo ought to do. And stop. Now make that motherfucker hammer time. If any of you guys would like to see an actual paint pouring tutorial, I'll be sure to leave mine conveniently linked down below. 10 out of 10 would recommend to a friend. And now that we're done prepping our little canvas here, we're simply going to layer our paints into the cup. Remember guys, the more the merrier. That's what she said. Blasphemy! But we can't forget our secret ingredient. You know me guys, I love a good oil. A little dropperoo ought to do. And now for my least favorite part of this whole experience, time to shake it up. You think by now I'd be good at this motion, but I'm not. And don't forget, pour slowly. There could be children watching. Come on. Don't be shy. There you go. How fun. Yes, my pretties. Mix. Ooh, yeah. That's some good heckin' paint. Good to the last drop. Yeah. Go on. Pour some more. You're dealing with the wet ass painting. Bring a brush and a tarp for this wet ass painting. Good. Now that our paints have been layered to perfection, it's time for the big dump. If I lick this, will you give me $5? Ugh. It kind of burns. Alright you guys, here is the final result. Even though this is probably the most impractical piece of art I've ever created, I'm still pretty obsessed with it. But wait, there's more. Ta-da! Good as new. Remember guys, with all of your continued support, anything is possible. With that being said, don't forget to leave your feedback down below, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye everybody. So you should totally share it with your BFF.